This is the vernier device that can be used to measure the force. As you apply the force on the spoon, the force applied will be shown on the loggerPro in the computer. Okay, so if you put it harder, you can see the force is getting bigger, and as you release, the force will drop to 0. There are a few ways to measure the force. So an easy way is that if you use the vernier device to pull the spoon, then the force applied will be immediately connected to the computer. So if you open the loggerPro program on the computer, then you will see an interface as shown. And at the top left and the bottom left, that you will see the force. In this example, it's negative 0.326 Newton. This is the force that's applied when I take the data. Okay, so what you can do is that you can pull the spoon, give it a little bit displacement, and then look at the force applied at that moment, and then do it for another displacement. So eventually you will have a set of the forces for different displacement to plot the data graph. You may wonder why the applied force here is negative. It sounds weird that we're applying the negative force when we pull the spoon. So this is because this is a little bit default offset for this device. So before you do the measurement, don't forget to zero your device so that the force will start from 0 for no displacement. And then as you pull, you will get a more accurate force data. Another way to take the data is to pull your spoon up to a certain displacement and then stay there for like 2 to 3 seconds. Then use the computer to record the forces in this 2 to 3 seconds and then find the average of the force in this duration. In this method, you will need to record your data for a few seconds. So you will need to use the collect button. And after you're done, then you can do the 1/2, do that function to find the average of your data in a certain range. Okay, let me show you how to do it. This is the data I took. Essentially, I pulled the spoon off by 0.5 centimeters, and then I pause for 1 second, then I pull it again up to 1 centimeters and pause for 1 second again, then keep doing that. Okay, and then so that you can see my forces increases and then flat out and increase again and flat out, so on and so forth. So the force data I want to take for say 0.5 centimeters will be the first plateau. So I can select it and then click on 1/2, which is the statistics function. And then in the statistic function, I can see the average for this selected range. Now you know how to measure the force applied on the spoon, so you can use this technique to study the elasticity of the spoon material. So yeah, I'll see you in the lab.